Welcome back to our channel Tech It's Simple everybody. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can boost your FPS in Genshin Impact. So you guys gotta follow some step in order to boost your Genshin Impact's FPS, but remember this: by following the step which I'm going to be showing you, your FPS is going to increase by 10 to 30. Or like from 10 to 20 FPS, you cannot experience a drastic FBA change from let's say you're getting 60 FPS right now, you can expect to get 120 or double the FPS you're getting, because in order to get more FPS, you need to have a PC which can run fast. In another one, you need to have a good graphics card, sufficient amount of RAM, like let's say more than 8 GB, and you need to have a good processor. Because if you don't have those, then of course your PC is going to lag and a game is not going to run smoothly. Finishing Impact is the latest game. And it needs latest requirement or like hardware for it to run. So just keep that in mind. If you're using an old PC, your FPS is going to be low either way, it's just going to be increased by 10 to 20 FPS. Alright, so to experience drastic change, you need to have like a really expensive PC. So with that said, follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you. Just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel Tech It's Simple. Let's move on. First step. What you want to do is when you're running Initial Impact, you want to click on this little icon, right-click on it, and go on Task Manager. Once you go to Task Manager, go in Details. Once you go Details, find the Initial Impact over here. Once you see the Initial Impact now on my screen, it says Launcher.exe, but on your screen, it should say Genshin Impact, so make sure it says Genshin Impact, right-click on it, go and set priority and make sure to keep it in high. So once you keep it in high, what it's going to do is your CPU is going to focus more on Genshin Impact rather than other app, and it's going to increase your FPS. After doing that, what you want to do is make sure you close any app which is running on your background. So I can click on this arrow. And over here on my screen my Google Chrome is running. Make sure your Google Chrome is turned off and your Spotify as well. And if your Discord is running, make sure to turn it off as well. Make sure any app rather than Genshin Impact which you currently don't need to turn it off. Because most people, they do not know when they have their Chrome running on background, or Chrome literally drags a lot of your FPS. Just closer Chrome, and your FPS should literally increase by 5 FPS, right? Chrome takes a lot of RAM, most people do not know. So turn off Chrome and turn off Discord, everything, your FPS will increase. Even after doing this, your FPS didn't increase that much. The next step you can do is you want to go on Control Panel. Under the Control Panel you want to go on System and Security. Over here go on Power option, and over here make sure you choose on Create a Power Plan and click on where it says High Performance. Once you choose High Performance, click on Next. And then your high performance plan should be created, which is going to be called My Custom Plan, and choose it. But if your computer shows your high performance plan by default, you don't have to go and create a plan, you can just click on it and it will be set to high performance. What this is going to do is this is going to take a lot of electricity, but your PC is going to run more faster, alright? And more faster means more FPS, so just keep that in mind. So that's how we guys can get FPS increase in Genshin Impact. By following these steps, the FPS might have increased by 10 to 20 FPS, so hope you guys understand. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our channel Tech It's Simple. Bye bye.